Hey guys, it's Jason with Tyndale. Today we're going to unpack Article 90.3, which is the workplaces covered and not covered. First, let's define what is covered. The U.S. Mine Safety and Health Administration, in agreement with OSHA, has fully endorsed the 70E. So mines are included. Anything residential, if it's a workplace, or you're a subcontractor working on equipment such as solar panels, generator sets, etc. Anything commercial or industrial, which would include installation, removal, inspection, operation, and maintenance, demolition of pretty much anything electrical, including signaling and communication equipment, and their affiliated conductors and raceways. Just about anything that connects to a power source that is 50 volts or more. Now we're going to talk more on that later, what that 50 volt threshold means and how we got there in future episodes. But this also includes anyone doing non-electrical tasks but are exposed to energized circuit parts or conductors, such as operating machinery, painting, tree trimming, or using lifts or ladders. Now let's clarify what's not covered by the 70E. You got boats and watercraft, but don't confuse those with floating buildings that are covered by the 70E. You got planes, trains, and automobiles, not the movie, with the exception of mobile homes, that sometimes are going to be covered by the 70E. It's going to be some rare instances, but you need to be aware. Any installation under the exclusive control of a utility, which might include communication, catenary wires for public rail or transport, you got power lines, service drops to structures, etc. Any installation under the exclusive control of a communication utility is also not covered by this. There's been a ton of confusion about what is or is not included when it comes to generation plants. So let's clarify a few things. Although any installation under the exclusive control of a utility is not covered, most, if not all, of the supporting infrastructure is. So what do I mean by this? Well, you've got a power plant that has premise wiring, including its lighting, its low voltage, its breaker panels, maintenance shops, garages, outbuildings, etc. That is covered by the 70E. Essentially, all that's not covered by the 70E is the generator portion of it and maybe some supporting equipment or the distribution equipment. So I hope this has helped a little bit and not confused even more what the 70E applies to, who it applies to. Bottom line is it pretty much applies to anyone who is anywhere near exposed or energized parts, with a few exceptions. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.